Create videos in your browser easily with our online video editor. Add text to videos, images, sounds, transitions, auto-subtitles and so much more. You can also trim, cut or crop videos all in a couple of minutes without downloading or installing any software. Quickly create high-quality content no matter your experience level. Flixier combines a powerful interface with ready-made drag-and-drop features to satisfy everyone's needs. Sync projects in real time with all your colleagues and share files instantly. Even better, you can ask for feedback on your video with a click of a button and no rendering required. Just like Google Docs. Easily create with motion graphics and stock footage. When it comes to making videos easily, our online video editor stands above the rest with a simple interface where you can drag and drop videos to position or resize them however you like. Add to that the built-in motion titles, transitions and calls to action that are easy to personalize, and Flixier is the best choice for creating engaging videos. Dramatically speed up video creation with over 2 million built-in music, video and image stock files. Even better, most of the features are available on the free version. Enjoy our browser-based video editor on a Chromebook, Mac or Windows PC. Because Flixier is a browser-based video editor, you can access it on any computer from any location. Your projects are backed up in the cloud, so all you need to do is log in using your account and continue working on your videos at home, at work or on the go. Your video projects are ready instantly. Even more, our groundbreaking rendering tech publishes any video in 1 to 3 minutes on both a low-spec Chromebook and a high-end MacBook. Start editing,